Hello everyone! Welcome to Cukmekerb's coding class. Today, I'm going to show you how to use Applescript to make your browser do weird things. So, as you can see, I have two copies of Firefox. If I remove this one from the dock, everyone will think that this fake version is the real Firefox. And it can mess with things. And this will show you how to use if statements, waiting, and opening apps with Applescript. So let's pop open fake Firefox. Now at first it looks perfectly normal because it opened Firefox, but it's actually doing something. It's waiting. This Applescript is going to wait 60 seconds and then it's going to open any page. I'm having it open Google, but that's kind of boring. Wait 10 seconds, and then quit Firefox. And this would be a really great way to rickroll someone. Now, let's wait. Oh! It just opened Google. Now let's wait 10 seconds. And Firefox just quit itself. Alright, I'm going to show you how to do that. Let's get started. Alright, so to get started, you're going to want to open Script Editor, which is an app made by Apple, specifically for editing Apple scripts. So type in to your Spotlight, Script Editor. Here it is. And then just click on New Document, and that will create a new document. And the first thing you're going to write in this document, you're going to want to write tell application, open quotes, Firefox with a capital F, close quotes, enter and tabulate. If it is running, then this creates an if statement. Enter and tabulate again. Delay 60. This will wait 60 seconds. Open location and paste in a link. I'm going to paste in the link to my website. So space, open quotes, and paste in the link. Okay. Next, type delay 10. This will wait 10 seconds. And then type quit. This will quit Firefox. Now, what if it's not running? Then else activate. Once you tabulate, activate. And what this does is it opens Firefox. Next, you'll just do the same things. Delay 60. Open location. Open quotes. And paste in your link. Delay 10 to wait 10 seconds. And then quit. Then end if. Then untabulate all the way, and end tell. And that's the whole script. Now, let's run it just to make sure it works. Press the play button. And as you can notice, all the colors magically changed and turned all cool and stuff. Well, Firefox opened itself. And now we need to wait 60 seconds. In the meantime, let's save our file, and let's call it fake Firefox. Save. Now it's still running, which means we are still waiting. Oh, it just opened my website, which means that it's been 60 seconds. Now, let us wait 10 seconds. And it quit! So, as you can see, it works. But wait just 1 second. Look at good old fake Firefox here on the desktop. That doesn't look quite the same. Well, let's remove it from the dock, and I'll show you how to make it look just like real Firefox, so no one can tell the difference. You're going to go to File, click on Export, and change the file format to Application. Then everything looks fine, so press Save. Cool. Now you can see a new icon has been added to my applications on my desktop, but the icon doesn't look like real Firefox. It looks like a script. Well, to do that, right-click it and press Show Package Contents. Press Contents, Resources, and as you can see, here's the icon. It's applet.icns. So, to make it a real Firefox icon, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to open a new window or a new tab in Finder, go to Applications, and then find Firefox. Now, right-click and press Show Package Contents, Contents, Resources, and here it is, firefox.icns. It's the icon. So, Control-C to copy, and then you can just paste it in right here. And then here's applet.icns. Delete that, and then rename this applet.icns. Okay, so now that it says applet.icns here, what you might want to have to do is move this to your documents. Now, fake Firefox has this icon, and now you're going to want to open it. Quit. Now, if it's already open, force quit it. Force quit. Now, let's open it again. And as you can see, it has the same icon as Firefox. Now, just press Options, press Keep in Dock, move it over to wherever Firefox is supposed to be, and then uncheck that Keep in Dock. Now, if you force quit fake Firefox and real Firefox, now this says fake Firefox, but if you just saved it as Firefox, it would look just like the real Firefox. You'd open it, no one's going to notice that, and it looks just like normal Firefox until a minute later we wait, and 1 whole minute passes and it will open cukmekerb.gq, then quit. Oh, and it opened Cukmekerb's coding class. Now we wait 10 seconds, and Firefox is gone. So as you can see, it works. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, buy my merch, and remember that it could be a scam.